Hello, my name is Larry Powell, and I'm going to talk to you about utilizing video and sensor technology for analyzing non-swimmer children in swimming education programs through observational studies. Drowning is a major issue. However, a person can reduce their risk of drowning by 90% if they learn how to swim. Prior research has been focusing on supporting elite and lap swimmers by recognizing all four core swimming strokes. My research questions are focused on understanding the integration of technology in a swimming education environment, as well what information can we get from observational and qualitative analysis. We collected video data using a mobile device and a 5-foot-long tripod and labeled the data through a developed system. We also collected wearable data. We attached an Apple Watch on the wrist and a Moto 360 around the waist. We recruited 45 participants, which are children who do not know how to swim. We collected 30 minutes of data because that was the length of the swimming class, and we used observational analysis and qualitative analysis on the video data. We found out that the swimming school is structured in 10 stages per class and has a manager controlling the entire pool for safety and guiding the child to each stage, which is contained an instructor. On average, there are about 3 children per instructor. When it comes to the actual study, parents were hesitant on taking part. However, the child was more enthusiastic because of the wearable devices. However, these devices were not intrusive or distracting to the child while they learn. Many of the activities students learned focus on survival, such as holding their breath, floating, and moving in the water. However, one distinction the school teaches is jumping and recovery, simulating as if the child fell in the water. Based off of qualitative analysis, we grouped the swimming lesson into 3 categories: swimming, sitting, and instructor interaction. Based off of observation, the child is majority of the time sitting on the wall for safety reasons. The child would then practice swimming for about 5 minutes and interact with the instructor for about 2. This is understandable because the instructor has about 3 children, averaging about 21 to 27 minutes total. When it came to design of the study, we recommend using 6-foot tall or higher tripod because many children or adults were blocking the view. We also would recommend, when it comes to interacting with a child, to be at least a foot away from the pool for safety measures. And finally, when it comes to wearable devices, we would recommend an IP7 or IP8, which means either water resistant or waterproof, to up to a meter or more. Thank you.